Welcome. This is a hip mobility stretch routine for flexibility and more range of motion within the hips. For this practice, you will need 2 blocks and a few pillows. If you don't have any of those on hand, be sure to look in the description below for alternatives. In this class, I'm using cork blocks, which are very sturdy, and I highly recommend the cork blocks for this pose. So I have linked a few below that you can check out. Go ahead and grab your props, and we will meet back here on the mat. Let's begin in tabletop, hands resting on the blocks at your highest setting. We'll go ahead and straighten the left leg. Then begin to draw a circle with the knee. Don't worry about what your circle looks like. So this is going to help us build strength. Your circle is going to become more of a circle. It's going to become bigger of a circle, and it will feel a lot easier to do. And we'll go opposite direction. Release, switching sides. Draw that circle to your best ability. All we can do is our best. Again, in time, we're going to build that strength. We're going to build that space within the hips. And we'll go opposite direction. And we'll release. Finding a bit of movement here, moving wherever the body takes you. You can even take the blocks a little higher here. And we'll release. Place the blocks towards your side and come to laying on your belly. Resting on the forearms, elbows in line with the shoulders. As you inhale, lifting the sternum, lengthening through the spine, gently lifting the chin. As you exhale, softening the shoulders. Resting here, or plant the hands on the mat. Inhale, peeling the chest off the mat. Take your gaze up. As you exhale, melt back down. Continue moving with the breath a few more times. Perfect, we'll release. Grab your pillow and place it towards your left. You might want to kind of roll on that right hip, open up towards your left, and take that left knee over the pillow. Option to not use a pillow here if that feels best today. Listen to the body, honor the body. And we'll begin drawing the breath into the belly. As you exhale, softening the hips, notice if you're lifting in the tailbone, arching in the lower back. Just begin to soften the spine, soften the hips and the legs. Allowing your body to completely let go here and observing the stretch. Gently release. Switching sides. Option again to use the pillow or not. Wherever you are, we'll draw the breath into the belly. Exhale, softening the hips, the lower back. And we'll gently release. Sending the hips towards your heels for child's pose, hands reaching forward, forehead or chin or cheek to the mat. Now this might feel extra intense today, no worries. You are exactly where you need to be, so feel free to place a pillow underneath your torso, as many as you need. And you can also place some underneath the hips for added height. Using your inhales to create space. Exhaling to sigh out any tension within the body. Gently release. Come to laying on your back. Back stays flat on the mat as you drop the knees over towards your left for a supine twist. Option to place a pillow between the knees and underneath both knees if that feels best today, so modify however you need. Listening to the body. Slow inhales and full exhales, sighing out all and any tension in the shoulders and the upper back, in the ribs. And we'll gently release. Switching sides, taking the knees over towards your right. Option again to use pillows. Allowing gravity to do its job here, allowing the legs to be really heavy. No tension in the feet or the ankles. And we'll gently release, rocking the knees side to side, rolling over the glutes, the outer hips. Hug the knees towards the chest as close as you can comfortably get them here. As you exhale, taking the feet to the bottom of the mat. Hands to your sides, palms facing up. Taking this one moment out of your practice, out of your day, to just be here now with the body. Observing the body. We'll gently wake up the body, wiggling the fingers and toes, rocking the head side to side. Rolling over towards your right. Inhale. And exhale. Gently come to seated. Inhale, hands up overhead. Exhale, heart center. Thank you for joining. Namaste. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like it below, subscribe to my channel, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any updates on future videos and live streams.